Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. 2015, 16, 17 Ford F-150 pickup, vans. The idea is for all new Fords. This is the body control module. Control the door lock, unlock, startability, security, fuels, everything in here. This is the door lock code in case it have a pin on the door. Here the security code. This piece here they replace it because the good about it is all components are here. It's a computer inside, built-in a computer. The problem about this one is that when one thing doesn't work, like signal, rear signal doesn't work, parking light is not working, the whole piece have to be replaced. Also, you must have two remote when you finish it. You do tire pressure. We come to the next video to see it together.